This is home page of Azure ML Studio. Then we click on the automated ML icon to start the experiment. Data has been registered on ML Studio. Then we enter a name for new auto ML run. Then we select the column Y. After that, we create a new compute with the following setting: dedicated virtual machine, CPU, virtual machine type, and then we select standard DS12 V2 size. After that, we select a name for compute. Select 1 as the minimum number of nodes and 5 as maximum. Then we create compute. It will take few minutes to create the compute. After that, the compute, we again do process an auto ML experiment. We select classification. Now here we select classification. Accuracy is the primary metric. We check the explain best model. Training job time is 1 hour. Then we set the concurrency. Then we finish the process to start the run. Auto ML run takes about 20 to 30 minutes to complete the experiment. From Auto ML, we can see that 14 ensemble is the best model with 0.92049 accuracy. You can also see other run metrics. Here is a list of the other model which Auto ML process with their accuracies. Now we deploy our best model with name deploy model. Compute type is Azure container instance. We also enable authentication. Now model deployment is successfully triggered. Then we see our deployed model in endpoint section. We write the code logs.py with enable app inside equals to true. Then we run the logs.py. These are the pics of output of running logs.py. URL is displayed to access the insight for the deployed model. You can see here we see field request, server response time, and other things. Now we are going to download the swagger.json file from Azure ML Studio. We write the code with 9000 port. Then run the Swagger file. Swagger is used to interact with the HTTP REST API endpoint documentation. Swagger is used to run a Swagger Docker image serve.py serve the swagger.json for a model on an HTTP server. These describe the input data and expected output from the deployed model. We then do consume a deployed model with the use of REST endpoint and key. We write the code for end.py and run it. Now here are our key. Now we use endpoint.py to consume a deployed model. A JSON